Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic loan payments on Upstart in 2025. So setting up automatic payments helps to ensure that you never miss a due date, and it can help to improve your credit score over time. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. Now the first thing we're going to do is to log into your Upstart account. So visit Upstart website, that's www.upstart.com, and sign into your account, and then you're going to navigate to the loan dashboard section. Once you're there, look for the manage payments or auto pay section and click on set up automatic payments. Next, you're gonna need to link your bank account. So enter your bank details, your routing number and account number, and once you've entered that, authorize Upstart to withdraw payments automatically on your due dates. And then you want to confirm and save. So review the details to make sure they're accurate, confirm the setup, and from there on, Upstart will notify you once autopay is successfully activated. And you can always just monitor your payments, so ensure that funds are available in your account before each due date, so that it can be automatically deducted, and you can modify or cancel autopay anytime in the loan dashboard. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.